guys are gonna love today's video. As you can see, we're gonna light something on fire. If your Echo is not running very smoothly, bogging down quite a bit, hard time starting, and you've already done the generic tests or looks, if you've already checked your spark plug, if you've already checked your filter, if the lines look pretty good and not leaking, don't have holes in them, before you get into the carburetor, you might want to take and your primer bulb, all those things that are pretty much visible. If you've already done those things before really getting into your carburetor, you might just want to take a quick look at your spark arrest. It's really easy to get to. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to get into the spark arrest, how to clean it off, put it back on, see if it's running smoother, and if it's not, really if that wasn't the problem, then really about the only thing that you would have left to check is the carburetor. But this is the spark arrest, so let's check the spark arrest here. You'll need a T25. This might look like it's going to be a lot harder than messing with the carburetor, but it's not, guys. And of course, there's always so many different things that you could possibly look at for different issues on a string trimmer, blower, anything. So we'll just take a look at this. Look at that. Yeah, leak. I need to do some maintenance on this thing. Whew, that's a mess. You're still just going to need your T25. This we're going to look at taking off right here. Oh, you see the screen right there just fell off. This is what we're looking at right here. If you guys can see that very well. So this one's not too bad. It does have some carbon buildup on it already, but not horrible. I'll show you guys how to clean that off and put that back on. Anytime you're using something like this, of course, make sure you guys are careful with it. Yes. Gonna burn that off, guys. Much better. Look how much better that is. Nice and clean, or much cleaner. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and take this part. We're gonna clean it too. I know you guys are probably wishing, or in the comments, put on some gloves. All right, let's clean this one off too. Then we'll put it back on here. Oh no, not a juice. Whew. Nice. Let's just cook it. That thing is coated. Alright, that's probably good. Much better. Went ahead and took a second to clean all of this off. Looks much better. Then also did this one as well. Much better. Let's put this back together. Woo! That's still a little warm. We're gonna have to let that set a minute. That's it, guys. Just gonna put the top back on it. Probably need to take a degreaser to all of it. And now that we're done, guys, let's just see how it sounds. I do appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. Have a great day.